See here, we have the overview with the amount of contacts, conversations, and other general CRM stats, as well as recent activity. The next tab over, we have all of your financial metrics, how much money you've made this week, this month, past 90 days, and your recent transactions. You can also go and look at making a new invoice with that menu. Select a contact, add a new item. In this case, we'll do a roof for $5,000. And we can add multiple items per invoice, like a roof cleanup. And we'll do this one for $1,000. Then we can finalize the invoice and generate a payment link, so that way your customer can actually pay the invoice for you. If that customer had a cell phone active, then we could text it to them straight from that pop-up. Instead, let's go look at the rest of the app. For the Conversations tab, we can see that you can view all of the transcripts for calls that have happened. You can see everything that each person has said. You can play the recordings back. You can look at text messages that you've gotten. And this gives you much better observability over what the AI is saying to your customers, so that way you can trust that the customers are having a good interaction, or you can have us make updates to your particular AI for your business if you feel like there's an edge case that wasn't originally accounted for. You can also view your appointments for any given day, make new ones, or dial out to new phone numbers, just like you would from a phone. If you were in person and wanted to collect a payment there, then you can do that via our tap to pay system on the app. So let's say $1,000. We're not going to do a tip this time. The phone connects to its own phone reader without the necessity of an external device. I tapped my card on the device, payment collected, and that worked very smoothly. This time we're going to do another payment, and this time I'll show you how the tip system works in case you wanted to try to get your customer to give you a tip in the event that they thought that you did such a spectacular job with their roof. Then the customer goes and selects which tip that they want, also supported in landscape mode. Same process for presenting the card to the device, and then collect payment, and then go back home. You can also view all of your notifications. And you're also able to use our app in light mode, not just dark mode. So that means that if you're out in the bright sun and you want to see it better in that case, then you can switch